Hi, Azaria. Hi, Uzi. You got Hetty and Henry and another Hetty.
Yeah. This is the baby and this is mommy. This is daddy.
Oh wow! And you've got another Henry at the back.
Yeah.
You've got so many Hoovers.
And daddy, mommy.
Wow.
Mommy.
Which one's your favorite?
I like this one and Uday likes these ones.
He likes Henry.
Papa.
Oh no! What's that noise I can hear? What's that? He wants the Hoover.
Yeah.
Oh no! Hey, Dinosaur.
I'm here to eat your Hoovers.
Oh no! He wants your Hoover.
I will steal all your Hoovers. Aha.
Oh no, he's taking the
This
Dyson.
is my Hoover. Unless you get 1,000 subscribers, I will throw this Hoover in a bin and blow it up.
In the bin and blow it up? Oh
Give me Hoovers. Give me Hoover. Mash. Dimmy.
no! So you guys heard we need 1,000 subscribers, so please press the subscribe button. Bye, Dinosaur. Bye-bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Put him in the bin. Oh no. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.